Join me as I dive into the future and challenge myself to predict whether AI will take over our lives by 2025. As we approach 2025, artificial intelligence is becoming an increasingly integral part of our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to AI-powered recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon, it's clear that AI is already here and here to stay. But what does the future hold? Will AI become a benevolent companion, making our lives easier and more enjoyable? Or will it spiral out of control, posing an existential threat to humanity? The rapid advancement of AI has also raised several red flags. One of the primary concerns is privacy. As AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data, the risk of this information being misused or compromised grows exponentially. Imagine a future where your every move is tracked and your personal data is sold to the highest bidder without your knowledge or consent. This is not just a hypothetical scenario. It's a very real possibility if we don't establish robust safeguards to protect our digital rights. Another pressing issue is job displacement. As AI assumes increasingly complex tasks, there is a growing fear that many jobs will become redundant. Self-driving cars, for instance, could put millions of taxi and truck drivers out of work. While AI may create new job opportunities in fields like AI development and maintenance, the transition period could be chaotic, leaving many people without a safety net. The concentration of decision-making power in the hands of a few large corporations and governments is also a pressing concern. If AI systems are making decisions that affect our lives, we need to ensure that these decisions are transparent, explainable, and accountable. The alternative is a dystopian future where AI-powered systems perpetuate existing biases and exacerbate social inequalities. Let's take a look at a specific example. Imagine a smart city where AI is used to optimize traffic flow, manage energy consumption, and predict crime. On the one hand, this could lead to a significant reduction in congestion, pollution, and crime rates, making life easier and safer for citizens. On the other hand, it could also create a surveillance state where citizens' every move is tracked and their personal data is used to manipulate their behavior. In this city, AI-powered systems could be used to predict and prevent crimes, but they could also be used to suppress dissent and monitor citizens' activities. This is a classic example of the double-edged sword that is AI. While it has the potential to bring about immense benefits, it also poses significant risks if not used responsibly. As AI becomes increasingly pervasive, it's essential that we have a nuanced understanding of its potential benefits and dangers. By 2025, AI could be an indispensable tool that makes our lives easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. Alternatively, it could become a monster that's difficult to control. In conclusion, the future of AI is a complex and multifaceted issue that requires careful consideration. As we move forward, it's crucial that we prioritize transparency, accountability, and responsibility in AI development. By doing so, we can ensure that AI becomes a force for good rather than a source of chaos and destruction. So, what do you think? Will AI control our future by 2025, or will we be able to harness its power for good? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about AI and its implications, be sure to check out my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.